In this video, I'll show you how to write in Canva. First, open your Canva project, and then this is my Canva project. Click to your project, and you will find some of the options here in the left side of your project. And go to the text option. Click here, and there are a couple of options available here. You can select any of the option from here. These are the some templates you can use if you want exact this font, this color, or this types of style in your text. Otherwise, if you want a normal text and want it to make by your own choice, then you can just click here, and this is the text box. Now type your text. Let's say I want to type DG whisper. This is my text, and you can just drag the corner to up the font. You can also drag it if you want, or make it to a smaller. You can also increase or decrease the font size from here. Just there are a couple of font size available, or you can make your custom font size like 27, or let's say I want to make it 50. So you can type it by your own. You can also click plus button to increase it, or you can click the minus button to decrease it. You can change the fonts from here. There are a couple of fonts available, but if you are a Canva free user, one thing you should remember that some of the fonts has the crown icon right after the font. Let's say this font has a crown icon. If this is the case, this font is a premium font. If you are a Canva free user, then these types of font you can't use. You can use any types of font except the crown icon. But if you are a premium member of Canva, then you can use any types of font. Let's say I want to change this font. So this is the font. This is a premium font. So you can use this. Let's say I want to add another font. So click here. So now let's say I want to name it Saifullah Saif, and I want to change this font. Select it. Now change the font. Let's say I want to change it to this font. So you can change color of the text. Let's say I want to change it color. So you can either select your own or preferred color from the color wheel. Otherwise, you can select this default color from the uh, options available here. So you can also do other thing like you can select your text, you can adjust the alignment, you can adjust the letter spacing, line spacing, or echo text box. So there are a couple of options available. You can try this as well, but I want to keep it this. You can also add effects. Just click here, and there are a couple of effects option available. Let's say I want to add this effect. So you can also change the border color of your effect. Let's say I want to make the border color black, so you can control it. You can also select other types of style as well. Let's say I want to add this style. You can change or set up the offset, direction, blur, transparency, etc. Let's say I want to make this blur, this the direction, this transparency level, this, and offset level. So a lot of options available, and you can also select curved, make it curved, or make it straight. So these are the available option you can use in your design if you want to write text in Canva or add anything in Canva. So let's say I want to change the font again to a simpler or this font. So this is pretty straightforward. You can add animation to your font. Let's say this is the typewriter animation. You can control the animation, let's say both on enter, on exit. So you can try everything you want. Let's say I want to add this animation pen, and when it will animate, like enter and exit both. But if you want to make the animation on enter, you can select it. If you want to make the animation on exit, you can also select it. If you want to make it both, so then select it. So these are the available option when you want to write anything in Canva. You can also select the default text type. Let's say this is the boldest type, this is the headline type, this is the subheading style, this is the normal text. So let's say I want to add normal text. Just add the text here and type your text. This is my text for this design. Now you can also change the fonts of this design. So this is pretty simple. If you want to add text in your Canva, this way you can write in Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw the comment below. I will check your comment and reply very soon.